5 JavaScript tips you've probably never seen. You can split long numbers with underscore and it works exactly the same as before. If you want to write a billion, for example, but you're losing track of all the zeros, just pop an underscore to separate them visually, and this works for any number. Second, you can label loops to break out of them. Say you've got a nested loop, but you want to break out of the outer one only. The first example won't work because it will only break out of the inner loop. Instead, you can label the outer loop and break out of that directly instead. Third, array methods like sort and reverse mutate the array in place. This is bad if you're working with things like React. So instead, use toSorted or toReversed, which are immutable versions of those same functions. We also have with, which can replace an array item at a given index and return a new copy of that array. Fourth is cloning objects. When most people want to clone an object, they reach for JSON parse wrapping JSON stringify. But this turns dates into strings and turns maps into empty objects. Instead, try the built-in structured clone to maintain proper types when cloning. And the last point, have you ever needed to resolve a promise from somewhere else in your code? You probably ended up doing something like this, which is pretty ugly and requires 2 empty variables initialized. Instead, use the static method with resolvers to get everything you need, and that looks much nicer. For more coding tips like this, then subscribe to BetterStack.